In this video, the chapter number 2 of class 6 and that is factors and multiples. So in the last video, we have completed question number 22 to 24 of exercise 2E. So now let's see the next question, question number 25. And question number 25 is so question number 25. So three bells toll at intervals of 9, 12, 15 and 15 minutes. If they start after what time will they next toll together? So student, next question number 25, and question number 25 is three bells tolls at intervals of 9, 12, 15 minutes. If they start tolling together, after what time will they next toll together? So answer is, so three bells tolls at interval of 9, 15 and 20. So three bells toll at intervals of 9, 12, 15 minutes. So we first to find the LCM of intervals of 9, 12, 15 minutes. So LCM 9, 12 and 15. So 9, 12 and 15. So LCM फाइंड करेंगे with by डिवीजन मेथड से. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिवाइड बाई 2. सो 9 डिवाइड नहीं होगा, सेम. 12 है, 2 से डिवाइड होगा, 6. 15 डिवाइड नहीं हो रहा, सेम. अगेन 2 से. 9 डिवाइड नहीं है, सेम. 6 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है, 3. 15 डिवाइड नहीं है, सेम. नेक्स्ट 3 से 9 डिवाइड 3 टाइम्स. 3 से 3 डिवाइड 1 टाइम एंड 15 3 से डिवाइड 5 टाइम्स. नेक्स्ट 3, 1, 1 एंड 5 एंड नेक्स्ट हो जाएगा 5, 1, 1 एंड 1. सो LCM इक्वल टू 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 2 4 into 3 into 3 9 into 5. So 4 into 5 20 into 9 20 into 9 equal to 180 minutes. So LCM equal to 180 minutes. So next है, if they started tolling together, So after what time? So after what time they will next toll together? So after what time? 180 minutes. So 180 minutes. So 180 minutes convert in hour. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 180 upon 60. 0 से 0 cancel, 1 3 equal to 3 hour. So after what time? So after what time? 3 hour will they next toll together. So 3 hour. This is answer. Okay. So student, question number 25 and 25 3 hour and 3 hour. This is answer. Okay students. Next question, question number 26. So student, next question, question number 26 and question number 26 is 3 boys step off together. Step off together from the same place. From the same place. If their step measure, if their steps measure 36 centimeter, 48 centimeter and 54 centimeter. At what distance? At what distance from the starting? From the starting, from the starting point will they again step, together. So student, next question, question number 26 and question number 26 is 3 boys steps off together from the same place. If their steps measure, so first boy की 36 centimeter, second boy की steps 48 centimeter and third boy की steps 54 centimeter. At what distance from the starting point will they again steps together? So question number 26. So 3 boys steps off together from the same place. So answer is, so if their steps, so their steps measure is first 36 centimeter, 48 centimeter and 54 centimeter. So students, first of all find करेंगे LCM of steps 36, 48 and 54. So we first to find the LCM of steps 36 centimeter, 48 centimeter and 54 centimeter. So 36, 48 एंड 54 का फाइंड करेंगे एलसीएम बाय डिवीजन मेथड्स। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिवाइड बाय 2, 18 48 2 से डिवाइड होगा, 24 54 2 से डिवाइड होगा, 27 अगेन 2 से डिवाइड, 9 12 है, 27 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा तो सेम। नेक्स्ट अगेन 2 से, 9 6 27 अगेन 2 से, 9 3 27। नेक्स्ट डिवाइड 3, 3 3 जा 9 1 9 अगेन 3 1 1 3 and next last 3 1 1 and 1. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 into 2 4. Again 2 into 2 4. Again 3 into 3 9. And next last 3. So 4 into 4 16 into 9 into 3. 16 into 9 144 into 3. So 144 into 3. So 4 3 जा 12 है, carry 1, 4 3 जा 12 1 carry, again carry 1 3 1 4. So 432 centimeter. So LCM equal to 432 centimeter. So 432 सेंटीमीटर को कन्वर्ट करेंगे इन मीटर एंड सेंटीमीटर। सो 100 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू 1 मीटर, या 1 मीटर इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर। सो 400 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू हो जाएगा 4। सो 400 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू हो जाएगा 4 मीटर। सो 4 मीटर एंड रिमेनिंग 32 सेंटीमीटर। सो 4 मीटर एंड 32 सेंटीमीटर, दिस इज आंसर। ओके, सो एट व्हाट डिस्टेंस, 4 मीटर एंड 32 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट विल दे अगेन स्टेप together. So at what distance? So 4 meter 32 centimeter, and this is answer. Okay students, so question number 26 is complete, and next question number 27. So question number 27. So question number 27 is a same questions. Okay, so solve the question 27 yourself, and next question number 28. So student, next question number 28, and question number 28 is 3 measuring rods are 45 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 75. 50 centimeter and 75 centimeter in length. What is the least length? What is the least length? So what is the least length in meter? In meter, in meters of a rope, that can be measured, that can be measured by the full length by the full length, so by the full length of each of these three rods. So student, next question है question number 28, and question number 28 is three measuring rods are 45 centimeter first rod, second rod 50 centimeter, and third rod 75 centimeter in length. So what is the least length in meter of a rope? So what is the least length in meter of a rope that can be measured by the full length of each of these three rods? So answer is, so given a three measuring rod, three measuring rods are 45 centimeter, 50 centimeter, and 75 centimeter. So first of all find करेंगे three measuring rods are 45 centimeter, फर्स्ट की लेंथ 45 सेंटीमीटर, सेकेंड की लेंथ गिवन है 50 सेंटीमीटर एंड थर्ड की 75. सो टोटल जो लेंथ गिवन है इनका फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फाइंड करेंगे एलसीएम. सो वी फर्स्ट टू फाइंड द LCM of length 45 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 75 centimeter. So first length 45, next 50 and next 75 centimeter. So first of all find करेंगे LCM by division methods. So first डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से, 45 डिवाइड नहीं होगा, सेम 50 2 से डिवाइड होगा 25 एंड नेक्स्ट 75 2 से डिवाइड नहीं है, सेम. नेक्स्ट डिवाइड करेंगे 5 से, 5 9 जा 45, 5 5 जा 25, 5 15 जा 75, अगेन 5 से, 9 सेम 1 3, नेक्स्ट 3 से, 3 1 1 अगेन 3 से 1 1 and 1. So LCM equal to 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. So 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. So 2 into 5 into 5 25 into 3 into 3 9. So 2 into 50 25 50 into 9. So 50 into 9 450 centimeter. So LCM है, LCM equal to 450 centimeter. So length, what is the least length in meter? So 400 centimeter को कन्वर्ट करेंगे मीटर. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So हो जाएगा 450 डिवाइड कर देंगे 100 मीटर इक्वल टू, सो डिवाइड हो जाएगा 0 से 0 और आ जाएगा 4.5 मीटर. सो व्हाट द लीस्ट लेंथ? सो द लीस्ट लेंथ in meters of a rope that can be measured by the full length of each of these three rods. So the least length of a rope equal to जाएगा 4.5 meter and 4.5 meter. This is answer. Okay. So student, question number 28 is complete. And next question number 29 and question number 30. So question number 29 and question number 30 is same questions. So solve the questions, question number 29 and question number 30 yourself. Okay, so exercise 2E is complete and next करेंगे chapter number 3 in next class. Okay students.